Now, based on our previous 6 lectures, you tell me, how would you ask, I want a coffee and 2 Coca-Colas, please. I want a coffee and 2 Coca-Colas, please. I hope you are able to answer that now. If not so, then please go through the previous lectures. I want means quiero. I want a coffee. Quiero un café. Quiero un café. And 2 Coca-Colas, please. Quiero un café y 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. Quiero un café y 2 Coca-Colas, por favor. That's it. Now, let's move on. To say possible in Spanish, possible, we say posible. 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 Focus on the pronunciation. Don't say like posible. Don't extend it at the end. Simply say posible. And unsurprisingly, impossible is impossible. Impossible. The word for it is in Spanish, it is or it's, is only a single word, es. Es. So how do you ask, it is possible? How do you say it is possible? Es posible. Es posible. And how do you say it's impossible? Es imposible. Es impossible. Practice it few times. I am very sure you will learn it very quickly.